Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I am tackling our refrigerator. It had gotten a little out of hand and I wanted to clear it out before I go grocery shopping, which I like to do every week. So I'd love to take you along with me. If this offers you some inspiration or motivation to tackle any areas of your home, let me know what you're cleaning today. And hope you guys enjoy watching. So when I am cleaning out the refrigerator, I just find it best to clear everything out altogether instead of shuffling the items around. That way I can really get a deep clean on it and see what I have and see what I need before I go grocery shopping. So that's what I'm doing here. So I don't like to use any harsh chemicals inside the refrigerator since there's food in there. But I do like to give it a good spray down. My concoction of water, rubbing alcohol, and dish soap. You can get that little concoction recipe a few videos back, I think. I still have it posted on my IGTV. So I use that on my countertops as well. And I always like to use a microfiber cloth to get all the crumbs, and it really does help. Just instead of using a paper towel or another towel, I like to use a microfiber cloth, and I get those off of Grow Collaborative. So I just want to give a shout out to my husband. He actually trimmed my hair last night. It was getting really long, and it gets to that point where it gets stuck in chairs and stuff. So I had him cut 2 or 3 inches last night just because, just needed a little trim. So thanks, babe. So let me ask y'all a question. Are you guys one of those people that changes your filter in your fridge on time? Because I am just not good at those certain things. I feel like you're one kind of person if you stay up to date on filter changes of your refrigerator. This one doesn't have a water filter necessarily, where you can dispense water, but it does make ice. So I do probably need to get on that, but let me know in the comments if you guys are those type of people that change your filter regularly. Let me know. So now that I have everything out of the refrigerator, I'm just kind of sorting through the things that I need to throw out. We had some leftovers that we had eaten off of, and then there's a little bit left. So I want to get all of that cleared out before I put everything back in, check the dates on everything. And I just found it easier just to spread everything out and go through it that way. But anyway, that's what I'm doing here. So just to wipe down the outside of the fridge, I'm using a Pledge multi-surface. This you can use on cabinetry, marble, glass, wood, appliances, which I love. So I love having a multi-purpose spray for those types of things. So this little area, because it's white, you can see the dirt really easily, which I really love. I don't know what I would do without white cabinets, because I do like to see when things are dirty. So I know to get on it and clean it. So that's what I'm doing here. And now that the fun part for me is over, now the dirty dishes have to be loaded into the dishwasher. I do get a lot of questions about this dishwasher because it has a light inside. Yes, there is a light built in. It's a GE monogram, or monogram by GE. So if any of you guys are interested, I get loads of questions on my cleaning videos about this dishwasher because there's a light inside of it. It's definitely very fancy, but it's probably one of the nicest. It is the nicest dishwasher I've ever owned, so I highly recommend it. After I clean out the sink, I like to just put like an antibacterial spray down in the sink. Yesterday on my stories, I shared a little tip about putting a paper towel soaked in antibacterial spray. This one from Method is really nice. It is sold out everywhere, I've noticed. I had some questions on that, but any of their antibacterial sprays I really recommend. They have such nice scents to them. So they've had like a floral scent, they've had a mint scent, citrus, so any of them are really nice. So here is the refrigerator. I know I need to go grocery shopping. It looks like we have no food. We do have freezer food, so like all of our proteins, and we have frozen vegetables as well. So it is the end of the week and it's time to restock, but I just wanted to give you a little overview of what we have in here. I don't really have a rhyme or reason as far as like how I organize. I just have like a meat and cheese drawer, your produce drawers, and then everything else like your sauces and everything I like to keep on the door, as well as any dairy products like milk and coffee creamer. And I like to have all of the labels facing out so I can see what I have. So that is it, you guys. So thanks for flying by.